ignore how I look because it's really early right now. It is 6:42 a.m. The reason I'm awake is because I really want my video to go up as early as possible because I didn't get to finish it last night. Like, I stayed up until like 11 o'clock and then I went to bed because I was like, I'm gonna be up all night. But this video, I'm over halfway editing it, so it should be up pretty soon. So yeah, I'm excited for that, and yeah. So I uploaded a vlog last night, so I'm also proud of that, but it's privated at the moment because I've got to make a thumbnail. They're not public yet, so it will be up today as well. So yeah, I'm doing quite well this morning. Being very productive, really. We are going to go out today. I think we're going to a farm or something, even though it's raining. And that's where my hairbrush was. What else is in here? My camera charger, my camera, and some paper. Okay. Oh, and my power thing. Woo! I didn't know where that was.
We were staying in Paris, to get away from your parents. And I thought, wow, if I could take this in a shot right now, I don't think that we could work this out.
She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him.
Say go through the darkest of days, having some heartbreak away. Never let you go, never let me down. Oh yeah, girl, I hope you're sure what you're looking for, 'cause I'm not good at making promises.
Like this.
So get on me, 'cause I want you. You're thinking it over, but I'm through. I go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both save the world, so forget this every
You see me in the spotlight, ooh, whatever your style. Show me what you got, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
I should just tell you to leave, 'cause I know exactly where it leads, but watch us go round and round and round.
love you like I would, love you like I would, like I
I was walking the line like you, I was looking my eyes like you. I got nothing to hide, let me kiss you goodbye. I was looking my eyes like you. 'Cause I know I can treat you bad.
tell me why are we wasting time? Why are you wasting time when you should be with me instead? I know I can treat you better. Why I barely care?
You got that that I've been looking for. Been running around for so long. Now I got you, I won't let you go.
Fuck if I knew how to put it romantic. Speaking my truth, there's no need to panic. 'Cause I got you,
Okay, so we've been back about 45 minutes, half an hour, something like that, and my hair is really tangly at the moment, and I'm not feeling too well because we've been in the car for quite a long time, so I'm gonna have this smoothie and hopefully, because it's cold, it'll make me feel better. So I poured it into here because it's easier than having to use the bottle, and it tastes amazing. Throughout the whole car journey, I was just like editing a vlog, which I've edited now. So I edited a whole vlog in the car, and I started doing another one, and I'm literally almost up to date. Like I've just started editing Saturday, and it's Monday today, so I'm proud of myself. The video was on 41% uploading, but now the Wi-Fi has gone. Like, it's literally my laptop saying site cannot be reached, and YouTube isn't loading. It's saying loading, tap to retry, and every time I tap it just says that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go turn off the internet. But also, I'm so proud of myself because I just made a really good thumbnail, and I should be able to show you. I should be able to because I managed to save it, luckily. Thumbnail. I'm so happy. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!